every single new working code in Grow a Garden. I'll be showing you every code inside of Grow a Garden that you have to redeem. You can actually redeem yourself some free seed packs as well as a lot of free cash. You get a bunch of codes to actually redeem in Grow a Garden. Don't forget to actually like the video, subscribe. Or you can actually click on your you can click on your like picture. Wait, that's insane. That is actually insane. Anyways, the bee update. The bee swarm update, busy bees. And you can actually collect honey. It's gonna be a brand new currency. So if you didn't already know, it's going to be a brand new currency inside of Grow a Garden. This is literally where you can actually redeem every single one of these new codes in Grow a Garden. Let's actually show you all the new codes that we are going to redeem today. And also, if you would like to have yourself the brand new bees that they will add into the game, the new bee pads, pretty much the new bee pads, you can probably buy them with Robux. So I'll be gifting one of the bees to you guys, so you can actually have yourself the new bee update. Let's actually check if they have anything interesting in stock. Nope, nothing interesting. Do I open one of these? Wait, we have moon melon. Where's the pack? Do I have a pack? Night seed pack. Okay, we do have one night seed pack, which I'm going to open in a little bit. Okay, in a little bit. First, the first code, guys. First code, Bizzy bees. Busy bees. Alright, this is probably a upcoming code, so you have to wait a little bit before it's actually released, probably 1 day or 3 hours, because the update drops in 3 hours, so they should actually include one of these codes into the new update. And let's actually open up the pack. Let's see what we're gonna get. Come on. Glow shroom. Wait, we get the worst one. We actually get the worst one. No way. Don't tell me I have to buy another one. Do not tell me I have to buy another one from this owl, man. It's not even... Come on, man. It's not even on stock. It's only 100 Robux, really? Wait. So, $120 million is 150 Robux? That is mad. Look at the price difference. The Robux is not matching up. Anyways, I'm waiting for the blue. Wait, the blood moon, right? The blood moon. It's not here. It is definitely not here. Anyways, this is all the new working codes. These are actually all the codes inside of Grow a Garden. Like the video, guys. Subscribe.